18, Hussein, RMP 7.
Corner 2618, Sanctuary Tower, good day, continue approach 2007, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 7,
462, Sanctuary Tower, continue approach 2007, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots, number 3 in the landing sequence following Boeing 738, 10 miles per hour, 07, indicating 200 knots over the ground.
Approaching for runway 7 and 1462.
Now 16 arrived 26 vacated by Alpha monitor ground 121.7.
For 121.7, Southwest 916.
Clear to land on 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 7, American 2618.
Arrived 30 vacated by Alpha, continue taxi Alpha, hold short Echo, monitor ground 121.7.
Vacate via Alpha, Alpha Echo 21.7, American 2618, we'll see.
462, clear to land on 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 7 and 1462. Forward, Vulgar 7013.
Sanctuary Tower, line up and wait runway 07.
Vulgar 7013.
1462 arrived 33. Okay, via taxi Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Vacate via Alpha, contact ground, yeah, 1462.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, Vulgar 7013.
Airborne 35, contact Sanctuary radar 120.8, good day.
Hey, good day, I don't know if we got 7013. Southwest 907 is ready at runway 7.
07 Sangster, tower clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees 15 knots.
Takeoff on runway 7, Southwest 907.
Sangster, good morning to you, Eagle 06 with you on the RNP runway 07, approaching UC.
6 Sangster, tower clear, intention.
Eagle 06, requesting the option. 6, this will be to a missed approach, and we'd like to request runway heading climbing initially 4,000.
Again, your requested altitude?
It will be to Kingston, so we'll be looking to climb, I guess, 9,000 feet.
6, continue approach, runway 07, report in the mist, report 5,000.
Approach, report in the mist, and you say we were to report 5,000 after that?
To 5,000 after the mist.
Missed approach clear 5,000, Eagle 06.
Zero 07, airborne 41, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
Well, 6, missed approach.
Contact Sangster radar 120.8.
Decimal 8, Eagle 06.
On the RP runway 7.
Need Sangster to continue approach runway 07, wind 060 degrees 14 knots.
Continue the approach for Southwest 017.
Land runway 07, wind 060 degrees 15 knots.
Runway 7, Southwest 918.
And 18, arrive 17, vacate at taxi Bravo, contact ground 120.
They're at Bravo, contact ground with Southwest 918. And continuing United 1146.
To land runway 07, wind 070 degrees.
146 cleared to land 07.
Afternoon, 175, Mike Golf, coming up from Bold to the visual, I beg your pardon, from Bold, leaving 4,200.
Mike Golf, Sangster to continue. Contact.
Negative, we go direct to Bold on the RNP. But we can take a visual, we got a feeling, but... Through the approach, RP 7175, my go.
Tower, United 1146, we can take the reverse high speed if able.
146, arrive 23, vacate Alpha.
On Alpha, and we'll contact ground on 21.7, United 1146.
1805, ready to go on 07.
18, over short. Okay, to land on 07, wind 070 degrees 19.
7175, I go.
And just coming up on dispatch Hussein on runway 7.
272 Sunset, continue approach runway 07.
South of 272.
1805 Sunset, are you ready for departure?
We're ready for departure, Rouge 1807.
1805, line up and wait runway 07.
Wait now is 07, Rouge 1805.
72, releasing Airbus 321.
12.
Mike Ghost, arrive 28, vacate by taxi Bravo, contact ground 120.7.
Take care, bye, go.
Schedule November for 7 miles west of line for left base 07, and we have number 1 traffic inside.
November Alpha Frankfurt, continue to left base runway 07.
Runway 07, 67 Alpha.
805, wind 080 degrees 16 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07, traffic 6 miles final runway 07, Airbus, caution Boeing 738.
Clear takeoff from 07, Rouge 1805.
Clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees 17 knots.
Clear land runway 07, south of 272.
One 1805, airborne 29er, contact Franco radar 120.8.
20.8, Rouge 1805, good day.
Continue to final runway 07.
Runway 07, 67 Alpha.
Arrive 31, vacate by taxi Bravo, contact ground 120.7.
Ground, southwest, 220.
Alpha, arrive 34, vacate by taxi Delta, contact ground 120.7.
Delta, contact ground 117, 67 Alpha.